Sharing how to make these little Halloween treat boxes made from empty toilet paper rolls. I'm making the ghost first. I like how this looks with a rounded top and wavy bottom, so I cut that first. You don't need to do that. You can just leave it straight if you'd like. To cut the bottom, you'll need to squeeze the paper roll in the opposite direction as the top. This is how you'll form the triangle shape of the box later on. Next, I stapled the top closed. I like to do this first so that the staples get painted over. Then I painted the paper roll with white paint. Set the paper roll aside to dry. Once the paper roll is completely dry, squeeze the bottom in the opposite direction of the top, forming a triangle or pyramid shape. Then, draw or paint a face on. At this point, you can fill the box with candy or a small toy and then staple the bottom closed, but I wanted to make them reusable, so I punched a hole in the bottom to close with ribbon. Fill with treats and then tie off with the ribbon. The candy corn treat box is made the same way, just painted different. Because candy corn is rounded on the white part, I chose to round the top of the paper roll again. Then it's just stapling and painting the paper roll again, this time using white at the top, orange in the middle, and yellow at the bottom. I did have to do a couple coats of the orange and yellow paint, letting dry between the coats. I left the bottoms of these paper rolls straight and just did the hole punch and ribbon closure again. And that's it. Such a fun and quick craft to make for Halloween.